friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Study Class. In this session, let us learn cover letter. I am going to tell you writing tips and tricks which are useful for first semester BCom BBA of Bengaluru North University and Bangalore University as per NEP scheme. Hello, I am Professor Venkataramu BR, Assistant Professor of English at Government First Grade College, Kudipande. Well, let us jump into the session. Cover letter. You have a general idea of what your cover letter is supposed to be, but you are having a trouble writing these first few sentences. We get you. Whether you are writing your resume, an article, research paper, or a cover letter, getting started is sometimes the hardest part. Luckily for you, though there is a very straightforward way to get started with your cover letter, and in this session, I am going to teach you how to do that in the easiest way. Are you interested? Please do watch the video till the end. Friends, the very word cover letter makes us to think about what is a cover letter. Cover letters are meant to provide context for the resume and provide detailed examples of how your relevant experience has been utilized in similar situations. Unlike a resume, which focuses on your experience, cover letters are meant to state several key skills relevant to the position you are applying for. To successfully get started with writing your cover letter, you should include 6 main elements. Let's go one by one. The first one is the header with contact information. The second one is greeting to the manager, like Dear Miss Morris, Dear Hiring Manager, Dear Department Team, likewise. The third one is opening paragraph. The fourth one is middle paragraphs. Fifth one is closing paragraph. The last and the most important is sign off. While signing off, we use the words like best wishes, cordially, respectfully, kind regards. Like I will teach you in detail how to do each of them in the right way in this video. Let's go ahead. The first and foremost thing is what to include in the header or contact information. You can watch this example. The header includes your and the recipient's contact information. The first thing to add to your cover letter opening is your contact information. The header's essential information includes full name and the professional title, phone number, and email number. After you have added your information, you should add the date and continue with the recipient's name and address. So, write manager's name, manager's job title, company name, company street and address. After you have probably listed your contact information, it is time to start writing your cover letter. This is where you address the cover letter by greeting the hiring manager, department or company. The first thing this includes is addressing the cover letter to the hiring manager. And by giving the hiring manager or department or company, we don't mean using the old-fashioned words like dear sir or madam or to whom so it may concern. Instead, you want to show your future employer that you have done your fair share of research about the job or the company and that you are not just using one cover letter template to apply for 10 jobs. Hence, you should try to find the hiring manager's full name in order to greet them. For example, Dear Miss Morris. If you can't find that name or the title anywhere, then you can use or greet them using Dear Hiring Manager, Dear within bracket have given department team or something like that. The next thing is opening paragraph. The last but the most important part of your cover letter opening is your opening paragraph. You want your opening paragraph to be engaging and attention grabbing to ensure that the hiring manager will continue reading the rest of your cover letter. Friends, compare these two cover letter openers and judge for yourself which one you would rather read. Let me read the first example of the opening paragraph. Dear Mr. Brown, my name is Anna and I would like to help your company exceed its sales target as a sales manager. My 5-year experience as a sales representative at XYZ Inc. has given me substantial skills in sales. During my last year working there, We beat KPIs by around 50%. I believe that my strong track record in sales makes me the perfect candidate for the position. Now let's come to the second example of the opening paragraph. Hello, my name is Mary. I'm interested in working as a sales manager for your company. I have 6 years of experience working as a sales manager for company X. So I think I am a good fit for the position. While there is nothing inherently wrong with the first example, it's not all that imaginative. Chances are every other applicant is going to use the similar opening statement. The second example, on the other hand, is more customized and personal, helping the recruiter understand why Anna is a good candidate for the role. Friends, with these examples, in this section, I will give you the tips and tricks you need to ace your cover letter introduction or the opening paragraph. Friends, introduce yourself and the purpose of your letter. Write why you want to work at that organization. State what position you are applying for and how you learned of the opportunity. If you have networked with anyone at the organization, mention who you spoke to. Write what skills you will bring to the organization. Now let's come to the fourth tip or the important trick to write a cover letter, that is writing the middle paragraphs. Friends, remember that there should not be more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. Introduce 1 or 2 skills that prove that you are a good fit. Describe the places you have demonstrated that skill. For example, internship, work, school, etc. Choose 1 or 2 examples of stories that illustrate how you used that skill. Let's come to the step that's called closing paragraph of the cover letter. In the closing paragraph of the cover letter, think about thanking the hiring manager for their time. Re-express your interest in the role. Demonstrate knowledge of the employer. Mention that you look forward to hear from them. The last important and the most important part of cover letter is sign off. It's a perfect way to end your cover letter. There are more sign offs for a cover letter. Best wishes. Cordially. Respectfully. Kind regards. Best regards. Yours truly. Sincerely. These are some of the signs you can use to end the letter. Then make 2 spaces below the salutation and type your full name. Friends, that's all about the cover letter. Hopefully, you are now confident about how you can start your cover letter. For more details about cover letter, please watch out my upcoming video. Thank you very much. See you in the next interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.